Good morning, all you world shakers. This is Uncle Dean coming to you from the Boar's Nest, sitting on the side of a mountain in the wilderness of the Bitterroot. Anyway, I wanted to show you a little something here. I've got a motor. It's a 24 volts DC, 32 RPM. At least it was when it had a gearbox attached to it. Anyways, now it's got 3 of them little microwave motor coils hooked to it. All I did was pulled all the gears out of them, stripped them completely except for the magnets, and then I shoved the rod all the way through the 3 of them and attached it to the motor. So I've got 3 of them little guys working in unison, and that feed is going right over to this rectifier, and it's got the probe connectors to it, and it's got a 200 volt 1000 UF capacitor sitting there just to help out. Right now, what the whole thing in a nutshell is we got a 12 volt Makita battery here. I'm going to charge it off of that with that little motor, and we're going to charge it off a 9 volt battery. We got 6.28 volts in there now. This is my power source right here, and it's not quite up to charge. It's got like, I don't know, 8.7 or something in it. Not quite 9 volts, but watch what this little guy will do. I gotta set it up. I'll get it turned around a little bit so that I can get the angle of the dangle here. Kind of difficult to do with one hand, but here we go. Hook one wire on there, and the other wire hooks down yonder. Okay, here we are. And you can see I'm holding the motor. It runs pretty quiet. It's got some oomph to it. Yeah, I think this will work out for a good little portable charger. I'll even charge my car battery if you leave it. You got a couple 9 volt batteries in your pocket. Got good potential. Seems to be climbing right up there. Yeah, just in now. Oh, I lost my connection there. Right now she's up to 12.35. There we go, a little more. We'll see if we can get her up to 13 maybe. It's a good charging 12 volt battery. Oh, there we go. Now she's climbing. Yeah, I find that when I let that little motor float on top of there and let the magnets kind of find its center, and it will, then everything runs without any hassle. I'm gonna get it set in position, and then get some hot glue and glue it down, and see if I can clean this up, make it a little more of a portable unit. Oops. I'm hitching my keeping my giddy up there. Come on, let's get up there over 13. I don't seem to want to, but it's running. Yeah, it might be the battery's getting low. I bet you that's what it is. Well, it just so happens I got second battery right here on standby, just in case. Let's go ahead and finish it off. I'll hook it back up here and we'll see if she wants to shoot it over 13. I think they got the potential to do that much anyways. Here we go. Uh-oh. My fingers don't want mine too good this morning. You get that way as you get older. There we go. I feel it wiggling now. Oh, here she goes. Yeah, fresh battery makes all the difference, don't it? Yeah, I don't think I want to put too awful much more than that in it. Alright. I just shut her down. And it seems like the battery's handling it pretty good. It'll settle, I do believe. Go down there. Take a little while, though. Yeah. Oops, there goes my finger. It's got a mind of its own. Anyways, that's what I'm piddling with this morning. Let me know what you think, people. I think if a person was to take, I'd say 6 of them things and stack them with a shaft all the way through and a small motor of this sort or smaller, I wouldn't be surprised to see that darn thing, charge up some batteries and flip, and some incandescent lights at the same time. I don't know. Check it out. You tell me. I'm just an inventor. You guys need to be the ones to perfect this crap. I'm just throwing it at you and see what sticks. Anyway, we're 13:27 yet. 26, excuse me. Yeah. Just peddling. Uncle Dean coming at you from the Bitterroot Wilderness of Idaho. Living on the edge and loving it. GWG. Yeah.